Jai Gurudev students, I am very glad to meet you all through this video. Before getting into the class, let me ask you a question. Which is our country? India is our country, right? We are living in India. We are all Indians. Today we are going to learn a lesson about our country, Hamara Desh, India. Shall we get into the lesson? Here are some Hindi words along with English meaning which will help us throughout this lesson. Shall we? Shabdartha meanings. Desh, country. Purana, old. Pavitra, auspicious. Uttar, north. Dakshin, south. Purab, east. Pakshim, west. Sanskrit, culture. Asabhya, uncivilized. Barbar, savage. Shikar, peak. Sahitya, literature. Nirman, creation. Agrini, leading. Gulam, slave. Neta, leader. Atak, tireless. Parishram, hard work. Azad, in Dunia, world. Prajatantrik, democratic. Adhikar, rights. Rashtra Janda, national flag. Rashtragan, national. Shall we get into the lesson? Okay. हमारा देश भारत है. India is our country. भारत इंडिया. यह बहुत पुराना और पवित्र देश है. India is an ancient and a holy country. हमारा देश के उत्तर में हिमालय पहाड़ है. दक्षिण में हिंद महासागर है. पूरब में बंगाल की खाड़ी है और पश्चिम में अरब सागर है. In our country, Himalaya mountain lies in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal lies in the east, and Arabian Seas lies in the west. हमारा देश ऋषियों, मुनियों और महात्माओं का देश है. Our country includes great people like sages, saints, and Mahatmas. भगवान रामकृष्ण, बुद्ध, महावीर ये सब भारत माता के सपूत हैं. Lord Rama, Krishna, Buddha and Mahavir are the son of our Bharat Mata. Rana Pratap, Veer Shivaji, Lakshmi Bai, महात्मा गांधी ये सब महापुरुष यदि पैदा हुए हैं. राणा प्रताप, शिवाजी, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, Mahatma Gandhi are all born in our country. Do you know who is Rana Pratap? Rana Pratap is a great warrior who is born in North India. हमारे देश की संस्कृति बहुत पुरानी और महान है. कहा जाता है कि संसार के दूसरे देश जब असभ्य रहते थे तब हमारा देश सभ्यता के शिकार पर था. The culture of our country is very ancient and it is very special. While the other countries in this world not have any culture, our country India possesses the culture which is faith and supreme. हमारी भाषाएं बहुत पुरानी है और साहित्य उच्च कोटि के हैं. सभी प्रकार के शास्त्रों के निर्माण में हमारा देश हमेशा अग्रणी रहा है. The languages spoken in India are very ancient and our literature is very great. All the rituals that we follow in our country are always supreme and it has high value. करीब 300 साल हमारा देश अंग्रेजों का गुलाम रहा. देश के सपूत अथक परिश्रम और त्याग से सन 1947 में भारत आजाद हुआ. हमारा देश दुनिया की सबसे बड़ा प्रजातांत्रिक देश है. For about 300 years, our country was ruled by British people. Because of the hard work and sacrifice of our national leader, India got freedom in 1947. Our country is one of the biggest democratic country in the world. हमारे देश में सभी धर्मों और जातियों के लोग रहते हैं. People who follow different culture and tradition are living in our country. हमारे देश के लोग कई भाषाएं बोलते हैं. The people of our country speaks different languages. फिर भी हम सब आपस में मिलकर रहते हैं. हम सबके अधिकार समान हैं. Even though we are different, we all live together in our country. We all are given equal rights in our country in spite of caste, religious and gender. हमारे देश का राष्ट्र झंडा तिरंगा है. जन गण मन हमारा राष्ट्रगान है. The national flag of our country is a tricolor flag, that is Tiranga. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Lesson. Thank you.